Struggling to stay fit with a packed schedule? I get it. Life gets incredibly busy, and finding time for a proper workout or a perfectly balanced meal can feel like an impossible mission. Between work, family, social commitments, and just trying to catch a breath, your health and fitness goals often get pushed to the bottom of the to-do list. But don't worry, I've got 5 game-changing health hacks for you. These are simple, effective strategies you can weave into your daily routine without needing to block out huge chunks of time. They're all about working smarter, not harder, to keep you feeling your best. First, try exercise snacking. No, not that kind of snack. This isn't about reaching for a bag of chips. I'm talking about sneaking in small, bite-sized bursts of physical activity throughout your day. Instead of thinking you need a full hour at the gym, just do a few minutes of squats or push-ups whenever you have a spare moment. Waiting for your coffee to brew? That's a perfect opportunity for a set of lunges. On a long phone call, pace around your office or do some calf raises. These mini workouts might seem insignificant on their own, but trust me, they make a huge difference over time. It all adds up. Think of it like this. A few 5-minute sessions scattered throughout your day can easily equal a 20 or 30-minute workout, boosting your metabolism and building strength without ever feeling like a chore. Second, hydrate like a pro. This is one of the simplest yet most overlooked aspects of staying healthy. Our bodies are mostly water, and even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and a sluggish metabolism. The solution is easy. Keep a water bottle on your desk at all times. Make it your constant companion. If you find plain water boring, try infusing it with lemon, cucumber, or mint to add a little flavor. The goal is to sip consistently throughout the day rather than chugging a large amount at once. Staying hydrated boosts your metabolism and keeps you energized, helping you power through your busy schedule with a clear head and a vibrant body. Third, master the art of meal prepping. This one is a total lifesaver for busy weeks. The idea of spending an entire Sunday in the kitchen might sound daunting, but it doesn't have to be that intense. Spend an hour on Sunday preparing healthy meals for the week. You could cook a big batch of quinoa or brown rice, grill some chicken, or roast a tray of vegetables. Store them in separate containers in the fridge, and you'll have the building blocks for quick, healthy meals ready to go. This simple habit saves time and stops you from grabbing unhealthy takeout on those nights when you're too exhausted to cook. It also puts you in complete control of your nutrition, ensuring you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients instead of processed junk. Fourth, take the stairs. Seriously, this small change can have a big impact. We're often so conditioned to look for the most convenient option, which usually means the elevator or escalator. Make a conscious choice to ditch the elevator and get those steps in. Whether you're at the office, the mall, or a subway station, choosing the stairs is a fantastic way to incorporate more movement into your day. It's a simple way to burn extra calories, strengthen your leg muscles, and improve your cardiovascular health without setting aside any extra time. It's an integrated workout that you can do practically anywhere, turning your daily commute or office navigation into a mini fitness session. And finally, prioritize your sleep. In our hustle and bustle culture, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice. We stay up late to finish work, catch up on shows, or scroll through social media, but this comes at a high cost to our health. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase cravings for unhealthy food, and tank your energy levels, making it nearly impossible to stay motivated with your fitness goals. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. To make this happen, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Read a book or take a warm bath. A well-rested body performs better in every way. It recovers faster from exercise, makes better food choices, and has the mental and physical energy to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Remember, you don't need a perfect schedule to be healthy. You just need smarter habits. Start with one of these 5 hacks this week and see the difference it makes. Thank you for joining me on Hydrate Life. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, effective strategies to live your healthiest life. I'll see you in the next video.